Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to get free domain name. So let's discuss this topic until the end. So what is domain name? First we discuss it. The domain name is a registered domain name for the any kind of website or any kind of any internet with similar address to the businesses. So domain name is a best for the any kind of users to get interact with the parts and actual names and extensions. So it is a best way to get any domain names and for top domain names as well as mid-level and universal resources, that is URL, and it is a best way to get some of the business presences and as well as for their business needs to get used in professionals in online presences also. So it is an important part for the domain name is that choosing the domain names and you can memorable to spells and as well as for your any preferable and reflectable also, and you can also brand any kind of business name also. So how to get the free domain name? So my number one point is that free domain name and register. So a domain register is a best part for any choosing any domain names, and it is manages to registrations and as well as for domain extensions. So domain extensions and for the any kind of assignings and for their IP addresses. So when you register the offers and for any kind of selling the domain names, and you can usually for limited times and restrictions. So when it is choosing from the best domain names, and it is the best way to get the important and consider for infrastructures as well as for their use and for provider behind and for their domain seems like a constant and cost effectiveness and as well as more of worth considering the domain names. So it is the best way to get the domain names and as well as for their presences. So number second is web hostings plan. So when you purchase any kind of domain name or when you get the domain name, which kind of hosting should you have to require it, you have to first you have to think for that. So web hosting provides the resources to host any kind of managers and websites to get and domain names. Many web pages and many webs and for their companies offer a free and for their domain names and part of in your packages. So these options are the great and those who can register any kind of domain names and as well as you can require for boost and hosting your domain names by building any kind of tool services, and you can save your money as well as time also, and everything in your one place. So my number third point is that all in one website builders. So similar to the web hostings and for any kind of websites, so builders offers to free a domain names and as well as part of plans and options. So it is up options to so you can selling your knowledge and for their services skills and website to scratch. Website builders are the builder to provide one solutions, and it's included in your time in your hosting templates and as well as for your features to help and for to create a business websites. So when you have to take the certain premium website like Wix, Hostlingers, and then you can also receive for your vouchers and as well as for your names and choices also. So you can also get the good domain like .com, .net, .org and .in. This is a good domain names you can get, and you can also not only that you can get the particular for the country codes, and for the it is important to website builders for the free, and for the domain name is typically platforms for the particular sites. Number fourth is subdomains. Subdomain is typically for a subsequence and for their domains, and it has to get the particular typically and used for their domain in different parts of the websites. So for example, blogexample.com is a best website, is an example for the particular subdomain websites. So blog is a subdomain and for the main domain is that example.com, and it is a subdomain name and it is used for the standalone also. And when you do that, allowing for to create for a free and as well as for your website with its own unique IDness or address. Many websites builders are use this kind of domain as a for free of cost. and then it has to be website builders are build their any kind of websites and for to making those to multiple websites, and you can also get good domain name. So my number fifth point is a premium email services. So some email are hosting providers for the free domain name as well as for your when you signing for the premiums and for your hostings, and you can get if you have aren't ready to build any kind of particular websites and you want to separate that, and domain name is a business email and options are the good services. So when you do that, you can get the good email address and for their matches of the domain names having a particular site and having a particular email address, and as well as for their sites and impressions and professionalisms, you can choose the domain names for a trustworthiness also. So my number sixth point is that affiliate marketing programs. You can do the affiliate marketing programs, or you can also get free domain name to the affiliate marketing programs and builders to get the platform for the commissions, any kind of promoting their services. So some of these are the companies and offer for any kind of domain names as a part of their programs. So by these online repairs and for the terms and promoting their services and for their any kind of commissions, you will get cost effective and for their free domain names. Keep in mind for that you may need the requirement to reach out that particular thresholds and before starting free domain names. So these are the ways you can get the free domain names. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.